listen to God's rock and roll. Music getting so good, so loud the devil's fear. A fire burning out, unknown and unseen, leaving it alone. Because God still loves thee. The devil's fear, living a life in God's rock and roll, such a blast. Peace on earth, peace in heaven, and peace in hell. Seeing the devil submit to God's understanding, giving grace to God's rock and roll. Rocking shouts of dread and pain left in the past, seeking and fighting for forgiveness in the dark, facing life and all its pain, letting God's rock and roll take hold, fighting the agony of it all, just being bold. Living a life in God's rock and roll, such a blast. Peace on earth, peace in heaven, and peace in hell. Seeing the devil submit to God's understanding, giving grace to God's rock and roll. Giving grace to God's rock and roll. Moments alone, creating a tune of beat, something with a lot of heat. Shredding it with the devil's fear, the pride of flame subsiding within, letting it all be seen. Honesty in all the sin, asking for the forgiveness through Jesus. Asking for the forgiveness through Jesus. Asking for the forgiveness through Jesus. Audience is loud and proud, just like me. I know it won't be me. Maybe my friends, their friends, or others. The people's choice, the right voice, the right drummer. Guitars held in the pros' hands, making up the band. Life in God's rock and roll, such a blast. Peace on earth, peace in heaven, and peace in hell. Seeing the devil submit to God's understanding, giving grace to God's rock and roll. Silence in the dark, unheard from within. Racing contemptuous lies, the disinformation screaming out. Heaven's ear, blessings about, days in life regain soul, all because of God's rock and roll. The devil's fear, music getting louder and stronger, screaming out truth while weeping within. God's rock and roll, inside or outside, it's seen everywhere, near or far, a way of